What up, what up? This your boy ZK Zimbabwe Kid, and as you know, this is the Wednesday shoutouts, part 2. I'd like to give a shout out to 2 of my YouTube friends. The first one is JG Millie, youtube.com/JGMILLY, and then the second one is JBEUMBLUO17, and that's youtube.com/JBEUMBLU017. And those are my 2 YouTube friends I'd like to give a shout out to. You know the drill. Check out their channels, leave a comment, and add them as friends as well. Let's get this thing real social. And that's what that is. ZK Zimbabwe Kid, Zimbo Nexus, ZimbabweKid.com. Peace.